These Bora Bora braids are my new favorites. Come let me give you a full tutorial as to how I got them done. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and today this video is sponsored by Hotbraids, and we're going to be working with the semi-curly bulk human hair loose braids. This is 100% Remy virgin human hair, and it's tension free and tangle free, and the plus side is it's very lightweight and reusable. To get the full look you saw in the intro earlier, I'll be using 3 entire packs or bundles of this semi-curl bulk hair. And I forgot to mention that it is 22 inches long, so you may find that helpful if you do decide to go ahead with this exact look. To complete this look, I also used some regular synthetic braiding hair. And you may be wondering, what's the difference between Bora Bora versus boho? So I'm going to break it down for you for those of you who don't know. So with boho, you're able to see more of the plaits, as opposed to Bora Bora where you see less of the plaits and more of the curly pieces. So in essence, Bora Bora has way more curly pieces attached to one single plait as opposed to when doing the boho style. So when you're through with the Bora Bora look, it's supposed to look as if you probably had some curly hair sewn into your hair, or it's like a wig, quote unquote. So yeah, that's the difference to me. Some persons may interpret it differently, but that's it. These are the tools you'll need to get this look done: your comb and your hair wax, along with some duck bill clips to hold the hair in place. I placed my hair in sections just to have an idea as to what I'm working with, and don't want how crooked that looks. I'll straighten the parts when I'm going through for the final braids. With a Bora Bora, you want to ensure that you have a curly piece starting from the top. So I put this in the middle of the synthetic braiding hair, and then I'm gonna braid this in, and after probably 2 overlapping, I'm just gonna take the curl piece out and continue to braid and add my pieces as I go along. Another point to note, I'm just using that single piece of synthetic braid to carry it right through. I'm not gonna feed in anything at all except for the curly pieces. So this is how it's looking when I'm done, and I did not plait the synthetic braiding hair right through. I kind of stopped at some point. And for some people, they put the curly hair at the end of the plait too, but I did not do mine like this. I just had it stopped at one point, and I used 8 of the curly pieces to one plait. Sometimes I like to use some of the hair wax to just apply to the straight end of the semi-curly human hair and place it in the middle before I start braiding it in. So here I go again with another tutorial. This time I got it right. you can tell, this style requires a whole lot of patience and then some. But one thing for sure, the reward at the end is unmatched. This is the amount of curly hair I have remaining from the 3 packs, as I've used literally the 3 bundles. I am finally through, and I'm gonna show you guys 2 looks. One in its natural state without applying any products at all, and then 2, I'm gonna apply the hot water and show you what it looks like in that state as well. So this is the first look in its natural state and all, and I actually like it. It's giving big hair, puffy hair, and I am a sucker for that. I love how full it looks. Now I am gonna dip the hair in some hot water, and gotta be extra careful for this step because you don't want to burn yourself or anything. And this is what it's looking like after being dipped, and I applied some curl oil along with some mousse, and that's about it. And I think I prefer, I don't know which I prefer. I love the look when it's wet and I love the look when it's puffy, but in both states it's given. As usual, I'll have the hair linked in my description box, so be sure to check it out there. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Bye.